Koi, there is no way that there is a good microphone under $50. There's no way. Wait. You're telling me that there is a good USB microphone under $50? No? There's no way. $40? Under $40. You're telling me there is a good microphone under $40 that is USB powered. I refuse to believe it. Wait. It's under my desk? Holy crap, there's a microphone under here. The TONOR TC-777? Why don't you read it real quick? That's the microphone. That's the really good USB microphone under $40, right there. I should give it a review? Okay, let's go ahead and review it, Koi. You saw it in the intro. Koi wants me to review this microphone, the TONOR T-777 USB microphone under $40 right now on Amazon. Let's see if it compares. I've got the TC-777 TONOR microphone USB. I bought this microphone right when I was gonna get back into streaming on my Twitch channel. And long story short, this was during the fires in the West Coast. We had a bunch of wildfires going on. So there's a bunch of shipping issues with Amazon. And I ended up, they told me that this microphone was gonna show up and it was lost in the mail and whatnot. So I ended up going out and buying the Elgato Wave 3, which is a phenomenal microphone. But I ended up getting this microphone. I paid $35 for it, and I haven't really used it for much. I've only used it one time in a voiceover for Spellbreak. So I figured I would give you guys a review of this, because when I went and did research on this microphone and reviews for it, there wasn't a ton of reviews on it. And I think this microphone deserves a review because it's a good under $50 microphone that I think will do the job for most people, for most tasks that need anything to do with decent quality for voice. All right, guys, let's check this out real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it because I've never opened it before. So this microphone comes with, so actually out of the box, it will come like this. So you got the microphone. It essentially just comes in like one unit like this, but everything can come apart, obviously. So this is the TONOR TC-777 or 777. This is a plug and play microphone. It doesn't require any software whatsoever when you buy it. You just plug it in and your PC will automatically understand that this is a microphone and it should be good to go. This microphone is set to a cardioid pattern. So pretty much the pattern on this microphone is gonna be picked up from the front. So your best options with this microphone is to have it directly in front of you. And how you know the microphone is directly in front of you is you will see the symbol there. So you want to keep the microphone directly in front of you, and you want to have it approximately for the best sound quality. You want to have it within 3 to 5 inches of your face. And yeah, that's how you would use this microphone. A couple things to know about this microphone. It does not have a detachable cable on the bottom of it. I know some people don't like that. I never had an issue with stuff that don't have detachable cables, but now that I run everything that pretty much has a detachable cable on it, I kind of am sad that they don't have that on here. But remember, this microphone is under $40, so keep that in mind. It comes with a small compact windscreen, so it's not one of the obnoxious giant ones. It comes with a shock mount, and it comes with a metal-legged tripod. So this thing comes ready to go out of the box for the best quality of audio that you could probably get out of this thing. You know, you got the windscreen, you've got the tripod, and you've got the microphone. The current output impedance of this microphone is 680 ohms, so it takes some juice to power it. So that means it's not going to be compatible with iPhone, Xbox, or iPads. But this microphone, from what I've heard, is compatible with PlayStation. So PlayStation 4, you could buy this microphone and you should be able to use it, no problem there. It comes with a 5-foot long cable. Again, this is a non-detachable cable, so what you get with this microphone is what you get. There's nothing else, like you're pretty much stuck, right? So the only thing you could do is probably put like an extender on here or something. I'm not sure, I don't use them. But yes, a 5-foot long USB 3.0 or 2.0. It looks like a 3.0 potentially, maybe 2.0, I don't know. But a standard USB cable. News about this microphone is, again, it's a cardioid pattern, so it's gonna block a lot of the noise out of the background. So this microphone would not be good if you're doing any type of interviews without another microphone, because you're not gonna pick up any audio back here. You have the microphone is right here, so it's gonna be picking up from this pattern like so. So it's gonna be like whoop, like this, like a heart in a way. So keep that in mind. And yeah, it is a kind of a gray blue color, so a pretty cool color. It is made of plastic, kind of a stronger, durable plastic though, so it's not like a cheaper, crappy plastic. Again, it comes with a windscreen. Unfortunately, I don't think you can remove the windscreen from the slot here, so you're kind of just stuck with the way it is. Not really sure what else. It's just a basic microphone that, you know, sounds actually pretty decent if you know how to set up the settings on it. Like if you use something like Audacity, you can really manipulate the settings on this thing to make it sound phenomenal. And that is why I want to do a review on it. I wanted a good budget microphone for people that maybe want to get into streaming, or maybe they want to upgrade their Zoom game, or maybe they want to upgrade just their audio game in general for gaming. I think this microphone is a good example. Really, all I think we have left is to do a comparison. So the only other USB microphone I have on hand is my Elgato Wave 3, which sounds phenomenal, and I will be doing a review on that soon. Though there is a lot of reviews on the Elgato Wave 3s, so keep that in mind if you want a review right now about it. But I do plan on doing one eventually. The Elgato Wave 3 currently MSRPs for around $150, so it's a little over $100 more expensive than this. And you guys will be surprised that the sound quality doesn't sound $100 better. But you've got to understand the build quality on the Elgato, the technology that comes with the Elgato is pretty much what makes that microphone the price that it is. And again, it is a phenomenal sounding microphone. I absolutely love that thing, but I actually really enjoy this one as well. Now, the current uses for this microphone for me is I literally put it back in the box and I take it around with me with my MacBook Pro. So wherever I'm at, I can record voice, I can voice memos. If I need to do like a meeting on my MacBook Pro with the built-in camera, I use this for better audio. So this is just kind of my go bag, throw it in my backpack microphone. I just keep it in the box here. It comes with a pretty good box with foam. And so that's what I use it for, but I truly would use this as a streaming microphone. If I would have gotten this in the mail in time when I wanted to start streaming again and doing YouTube, I would still be using this microphone as my daily driver. So I really enjoyed the audio of this. So the only thing left to do now is, well, let's do a sound test. Alrighty, everyone, this is Boba here, and I am doing the microphone test for the Elgato Wave 3. Yeah, so it's a microphone test for Elgato Wave 3. Very good sounding microphone. I am just running this test through my Streamlabs OBS. I have the settings pretty much all set the same. I have my toner mic plugged in, ready to go, and I have no idea which one's going to sound better. So until I rewatch this video as I'm editing it, so you guys can let me know in the comments before I switch over to the other microphone, or well, after I switch over to the other microphone, you guys can let me know which one sounds better. But yes, this is the Elgato Wave 3. I find that this microphone really makes my voice sound good. And if you guys keep seeing me look up there, that's my screen above my main monitor, which is right above my camera that I stream with. So But yeah, I feel like this microphone really suits my voice well. And that's another thing to keep in mind with different microphones is certain microphones will sound better with different voices. Okay, so we're going to switch over to the TONOR TC-777. Okay, everybody, this is the TONOR TC-777 microphone test here. One thing to note with this microphone is I have noticed that I had to turn up the volume in my OBS when recording this. I found that it's not as powerful when it comes to being powered for audio capture or whatever recording. So I definitely had to turn the power up a little bit. If I get closer into the microphone, it's going to sound better. This is a cardioid polar pickup pattern or whatever it's called, USB microphone. So I want to be within 3 to 5 inches of this microphone when I'm talking. Though with a desk mount, it makes it a little bit more difficult because you kind of have to go in a little bit to get the better sound. Again, I do not know which microphone even sounds better, which one complements my voice better until after I film this video. So you guys will have to let me know again in the comments. And again, if you guys like this content, please like, subscribe, drop a comment. I will also have the TC-777 in the description with an Amazon affiliate link if you like this microphone and you want a very good USB microphone that does not suck under $40. This link will be down in the description. But also, yeah, I don't even know where I was going with that. So this is the test of the TC-777. All right, I'll catch you guys later. All right, guys, that is my review of the TONOR TC-777. Again, I have not listened to the audio test that I did between the TC-77 and the Elgato Wave 3. So again, please in the comments, let me know which one sounds better. And let me know if the Elgato is worth $100 more. I think we'll be surprised. It's probably not. Though again, the Elgato has really good software to go with it, so keep that in mind. If you guys like this microphone and you're looking for a USB microphone that does not suck, link in the description. As always, it's an Amazon affiliate link, so you do not have to buy it through there, but if you want to support my channel, go ahead. And please, if you guys want to support my channel even more, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time. Boba, and I am out.